BC, you already know how we coming, man. Let's get it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get flyer than this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little.
Yo, what's good, everybody? My name is BTD. Welcome back. Welcome to BC. Right back in there video for you guys. Yo, I got a new video for the homie Tsunami777. Yo, he told me about this like the day of Valentine, I think. And I said I go check it out, which I was, but I looked down, I'm like, wow. A box of chocolates versus a revolver. I guess it's the two sides of Valentine Day. Either you got the Valentine or you got, I guess, the revolver. You lonely? I guess. I don't know. It's interesting. I would go support the homie anyway, but it's the towel is just interesting, bro. Anyone, don't forget to like my football, get some new roads, 5K, get the best there. I guess the Twitter picture link in the description. Go support the homie Tsunami by clicking the link to the original video in the description. Take you right to the channel, and let's get it. All right, Tsunami, what you got from him, bro? Box of chocolates and revolver. Hell no.
Battle! A revolver versus a box of chocolate.
That hard.
I'm trying till I can find where the chocolate could lie. Flavor. Maybe that show make you know you lost a lot. I made you raise when I'm picking good rain. It's Valentine's Day where I get
Lord.
There's a lot of types of other guns that make you look lame. Put an orange tip on
That
this one
art,
and you'll
though.
look like a BB gun. I don't need it all to put you on a log. I am being a hater. You should be served to daters. You already took your 6 shots to beat me. Now you can't reload since you're out of ammo. Before I go back, I need to tell you that you can't rap. My video was on safety mode, but now I'm go. Who won? Who was next? You
Oh my gosh. Yo, Tsunami's hilarious, bro. Oh my gosh. I love it. Hey, so I know Tsunami, bro. That was hilarious. I really hope y'all enjoyed it like I did. Don't forget to like my football, get some of you new for 5K, get the bell, share, Twitter, picture, link in the description. Shout out to homie Tsunami once again. Go support the homie, link in the description. Stay this one, man. Peace. Oh my gosh. The art is crazy. I like it. I like it.
Don't ever listen. Shorty thought I was a chef the way I'm in the kitchen. She gon' think about me when the nigga missing.